Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to apply sum if function in Excel. So sum if function is used to know the total amount of total quantity or amount of items or things in huge amount of data. So sum if function is used when the item is available there in one or more times. So for example, here I have a small data table in which clothes is appearing to twice and bikes also. So if I want to know the total amount of clothes, I will use sum if function, and to apply sum if function we will write is equal to sum if tab. Now it asks us for the range in the uh, range. So select the item range, comma, criteria. Select the clothes. I have copy pasted from the item list. So if because if there is any changes in the spelling or if there any extra space, so the formula will not work. Is equal comma some range. Now select the quantity range and this is close. Enter. So as you can see that it gives us the right amount of clothes, which is 7 plus 4, which is 11. So uh, if uh, let's try this with bikes also. Copy paste, copy paste. Now if I want if you sum is equal to sum if tab, sorry, sum, sorry, sum tab range. Now if you want to write the header also, so if you added header in this range and did not in the second range, which is some range, the answer will not come correct. So let's try this. Enter. So as you can see, the answer did not come correct, because the answer should be coming 13, sorry, 14, and in this the answer is 1. So make sure that you select and that the range is correct and is and the quantity and the range is similar. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please share and subscribe my share this video and like my video, as it motivates me a lot to make more videos like this. Thank you.